Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the link. Sign in to the exact Google Play account you intend to use, then open Play Store to verify updates. Once done, update eFootball and Google Play services. Make sure the app restarts. You should also enable a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and temporarily disable VPN or proxy services. This prevents authentication errors. Now, open eFootball and proceed to the account or settings area. You're ready for the first linking step. You move into the core linking flow inside the app. In eFootball, go to Settings, then Account, and tap Link with Google Play. When the Google sign in dialog appears, choose the correct account. If you don't see it, use Add Account. Grant the requested permissions, account access, device ID, and network permissions, because the game needs them to sync progress. Once you tap Allow, eFootball will exchange tokens with Google Play. Wait for the confirmation screen, and do not close the app during that exchange. You complete the process by verifying the link and handling common failures. After authorization finishes, check the in-game account page and your Google Play Games profile to confirm saved data and connected badges. If linking fails, clear cache for both eFootball and Google Play services, then retry the sign-in flow. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall eFootball, remove and re-add the Google account on the device, and test again on stable Wi-Fi. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.